Earnings from yesterday after the close and a little bit from this morning are helping stocks rebound. Earnings like Tesla, as I speak to you right now, the NASDAQ and the Russell are both up about 64 basis points. Seems to be a little bit of weakness creeping in with the Dow just below the flat line at down about 0.2%. The S&P is still up about 0.25%. Tesla shares shot up 12% in the pre-market and are up about 16% now after it forecast surging car sales growth, and CEO Elon Musk reassured investors he was still looking to expand the company's core EV business. UPS is also returning to growth for the first time in 2 years, and that stock is running the positive as well. That's a lot of the driver, and it seems to be cooling off right now. We'll see as the session goes on. Looking at yields a little bit lower as well. That doesn't hurt the sort of tailwind that stocks got early in the morning. Commodities are rebounding. Positive manufacturing PMI data everywhere except the UK, meaning that expectations were beaten, and the UK still remains in expansionary territory. And that includes the US manufacturing PMI, which rose to 47.8, so still in contraction territory, but it beat expectations and it beat last month's number. So that's a good sign for the overall manufacturing base globally. Crude oil is at resistance. Crude oil rose today, but it ran into a wall of resistance. So it's still slightly higher in that $71 range, but it is falling from its highs. We'll have to see how that plays out. That affects both inflation and the overall economy, both in the US and in some of the larger crude oil producers. Looking ahead, we have a TIPS auction today in the US. After the close, we have 60 companies with over $1 billion in market cap reporting. But we have a pause in sort of the big, well-known names, with the largest company reporting today after the close being Arthur J. Gallagher and Company, which is a $63 billion market cap insurance broker, along with consumer names like Skechers and Texas Roadhouse. Tomorrow before the open, we have 24 companies reporting with market caps over $1 billion, including some well-known names like Sanofi, Colgate-Palmolive, Booz Allen Hamilton, Gentex, and AutoNation. Tonight, we get Tokyo core CPI year-over-year data. Tomorrow, durable goods in the U.S. and Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations.